do a video right now real quick to that.
It's recording.
Do it.
It's been recording.
You see me in the background? Do some more.
Dad, we're recording now! Oh, that's like, I'm so scared of their ears right now. I think I just like filled their ears.
Tell Father to stop. Tell Father to stop.
Yeah, we have to
Go now. On you. No, you're not. Then go tell him to stop. Got it.
Sorry, we're having technical difficulties right now because no, we're not.
Hey.
Oh,
Sorry, I was getting low.
here we go.
I was getting down. Down.
That was
down,
mother.
down.
Oh, okay. I'm
Breaking
breaking stuff. I'm breaking stuff.
Breaking
Okay,
stuff,
we can skip this
breaking
later if you guys
stuff,
wanna do a little. Okay.
All right, guys.
So,
All right.
second video of season 2. If you watched the first one, you kind of already know what we're talking about.
Ratchets.
Ratchets.
like this one right here.
Hard time.
Just kidding.
Oh, look, that's a joy. That's a
I never said you weren't one. JK. But anyways,
Fine, every just kidding.
Here's
There is
my
a
question.
truth.
Question.
here's my question.
Question number 1.
Number 1.
Serious question here. Like, when Ratchets look at themselves in the mirror, like, do they think they're cute? Like, I'm not like trying to diss or anything. I'm asking an honest question. Like, when they look in the mirror, they'd be like, "Dang, I look bomb." Like, I just want to know. Like,
We're
can
asking
someone let
you
me
guys.
know. Just let me know.
We want to know.
They probably do. I think they really do.
Like, I don't know.
Like when they're walking around the mall and their fat is all just hanging down in their sides and they got pimples all over their arms and
I mean, I believe
Their
that
hair's like
everyone's
this.
pretty in their own way.
is that why 2 seconds ago you were talking about a ratchet going across the street? Huh? Don't lie to our
Well,
viewers.
anyways, pregunta/question number 2.
Number 2.
When Ratchet's parents look at them,
Oh.
they be like,
Oh, my daughter's
"Dang,
so
my daughter is so pretty," or "Dang, my son is so cute." Like, I'm like
Right.
serious. Like, I really want to know.
We do. We're curious.
Like when they go to their parents and say, "Hey, mom, do I look okay?" And
Do
they
they
look
lie?
like a mama. Like they look hideous. Like,
terrible.
atrocious.
They look terrible.
I look like a monster.
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 Straight monster.
What does their mother say? What do they say? Oh, yeah, you look so cute with your little nappy naps and your torn clothes and your fat hanging over your belt loops. Yeah, you look adorable.
No, what they need to say is, "Come here now."
I'm gonna get you a membership to the dang gym,
You
because
feel
you're
me?
gonna lose that.
Yep, should we do the game, guys? The word game. You're
not
Cool.
so
you
Can't.
be
with
and
you
Are.
a
ratch
It.
and
it.
You.
ooh,
Ooh.
out of order.
Out of order.
Let's try again. Ratchets
Are
Monarchs.
and
they
Are.
not
cute?
they.
Sorry.
Yep, pretty much it. That's our game.
Give me some, viewers. Give me some.
Oh.
Not time. Okay.
All right. Anyways, back to business.
Back to
Back
ratchets.
to business.
Back to ratchet business.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm not gonna name any ratchets at our school, but they are. It's like a new cult. They're like taking over our campus. They're everywhere.
Well, I'm not gonna talk about them because I go to that school for another year. They can talk about it.
You're not naming the ratchets, so technically the ratchets that probably think they're not ratchets are probably like, oh, there's no way they're talking about me, and they do a little snap and the roll of the neck and the crest falls down their neck because it's all crusty.
That reminded me of that. You know that preview we seen last night, and the guy's like,
Oh, the
Yeah.
yeah. Step Up 3D.
"Oh yeah."
Yeah, Rejoice.
I'm so late, but yeah, those times he was like, I'm like, don't do that. I'm like, okay, I'm done.
Anywho.
So, I think that's our video.
Ratchet video.
Amiga, cheetah, friends for today.
I mean, like, my bad.
Wow. Can we get
Nothing
lyrics
can
dot com
come
here?
between us.
That's what keeps us tight. Amigas, cheetah.
She got that good.
Sometimes
good.
I
She
get
Michael
it.
Jackson bad.
And
I'm attracted to her. With her attractive A. And now Cedric.
We're getting
is
a
on the
call
phone.
on the phone. Cedric's on the phone.
Hey, Cedric, if you're watching this, you're on the
Cedric.
phone. Oh, man, here we go.
Oh, Rejoy, he's yelling at us.
Oh, why, Cedric?
Cedric, don't yell at us.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's speaker this.
Let's speaker this.
Hello?
Cedric, we're making an OreoGirl video right now, and like when you watch the video,
You're gonna be on
you're
it.
gonna be on it. He's so cute.
Yeah, what's up?
What's Gucci, man?
He's mad at us.
Hello.
Yes.
What's good?
What time y'all coming over here? You know you coming?
What time are we coming over there? Rejoy has to be home at 7.
That makes me sound so bad. I got in trouble, guys.
Huh?
Okay, viewers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got in trouble
She
with
has
my
to be on at
parents.
7.
So I got in trouble with my parents.
The street lights are still on at 7. That is shocking.
What?
7. 7 o'clock? Damn shame.
Tell them we'll call you back because we're running out of time.
Hey, I'll call you back. Okay, bye.
Okay. Yeah, that's what she said. She's cruel. Anyways.
I mean, the street lights are still on at 7.
No, they don't come on.
The street lights aren't even on at 7.
Look, you're trying to diss me. She can't even do it right. Okay. I don't know what time. I don't know how long we're keeping time up, and I don't want to redo this video.
I didn't get
So
it.
we're gonna go. Okay, I'm waving goodbye. They're not waving goodbye. They're gonna wave goodbye now. Oh, don't look at my fat face.
That's not even the parents.
Yeah. See? Okay. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.